Hi, today in front of me Emporia SMART.5 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here we'll see ringtone volume panel, and just if you wanna mute your device, the silent mode, we should just mute our ringtones and notifications. How we can do that? Just not to activate the vibration mode like in this situation, just to mute it. We can turn on, press up or down volume button and tap to this as bell icon twice, and now we can see that our calls and notifications, they will be muted. So our ringtones and notifications, they are muted now, and this means that the silent mode is just turned on. Just to turn it off, we should just click once again on this cross bell icon and switch to the calls, to the normal one, and now our calls and notifications, they will ring. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just open the control panel, find here sound icon, just click twice on this icon. Our phone now is muted, so this is the silent mode. Just to turn it off, click on the silent icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.